In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the additional information tab in WooCommerce. We'll be doing this from inside your WordPress dashboard, and the method is simple, beginner-friendly, and easy to manage later if you ever want to change it back. Instead of editing theme files directly, we'll use a plugin that lets you safely add custom code. That makes this approach cleaner and much easier to maintain. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website settings, plugins, products, and design. Once you're there, look at the left-hand menu and navigate to Plugins, then click Add New. This will take you to the plugin library where you can search for tools to extend your site's functionality. In the search bar, look for the Code Snippets plugin. When you find it, install it and then activate it. This plugin is helpful because it allows you to add small pieces of custom code to your site without editing core files or your theme's functions file. That reduces the chance of breaking something accidentally and gives you a more organized way to manage custom changes. After the plugin is activated, go to Snippets and then click Add New. This opens the screen where you can create a new custom snippet. At the top, give your snippet a clear title, something like Remove Additional Information tab. Using a descriptive name is a good habit because it makes it easier to recognize what the snippet does later, especially if you end up creating more snippets for other WooCommerce customizations. Next, paste your code into the code box. Make sure the code is entered exactly as intended, since even a small typo can prevent it from working properly. This snippet is what tells WooCommerce to remove that additional information tab from the product page. Once the code is in place, choose the option to run the snippet everywhere. This ensures the code is active wherever it needs to be on your site. Then click Save Changes. Saving will store the snippet and activate it based on the settings you selected. After that, you can visit one of your WooCommerce product pages and confirm that the additional information tab has been removed. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page or clearing any cache on your website or browser. That's a common final step when updates don't appear immediately. And that's it. You've successfully removed the additional information tab in WooCommerce using a safe and manageable method from inside WordPress.